I do not get why designers leave the center console of my vehicle completely in the dark. Let's fix that. Also, standard options for car ambient lights are boring, so I built a custom multifunctional music visualizer with Arduino Nano, a single button, MAX9814 and LED strip WS2812B, and all control parts fit inside a utility knife blade case. A single button switches between 8 custom animations, like wave and H to center, plus a bass reactive music mode that pulses to the beat. It boots up on a random animation and goes to ambient mode by default. Pressing button switches to visualizer mode, which gradually fills with blue light, confirming music mode selection. Pressing the button again switches to ambient light. No more hunting for charging ports in the dark. It matches the factory lighting perfectly, and listening to the music in their car just got a whole new colorful visualizer upgrade. See you soon in my next video.